entrepreneurs in just 60 seconds discovers how Jaiinfoway is your ultimate partner in startup success. Generative AI revolutionize your business with AI customized for your unique needs. Then cloud services flexible, efficient solution for data and operations. Our services extend to comprehensive CRM, efficient billing and seamless inventory management, ensuring a smooth operations of your business. Tailored for diverse industries, Jaiinfoway craft a specific strategy to elevate your startup, no matter the field. Remember, we are more than a service provider. We are your growth partner. Reach us in the US or India to start your journey. Ready to transform your startup idea into reality. From ideation to market fit, Jaiinfoway is here for you. Contact us now and let's make your business dream come true.